What's up, everybody? This is Phil. I just wanted to show you another demo of Fil-C. This time, I'm going to make XZ Utils memory safe. And I'm just going to show you what it takes to make XZ Utils memory safe with Fil-C. So I'm going to go to GitHub. I'm going to check out this thing from GitHub. Git clone xz.git. All right, we're going to go into the XZ directory. And then let's see, does it have a configure script? Doesn't have a configure script yet, so we're just going to run the autogen script. Okay, cool. Does it have a configure script now? It does. Okay, so to make XZ Utils memory safe, we're going to have to run the configure script, but we're going to pass it a path to the Fil-C version of Clang. I'm just going to give it an absolute path just to avoid shenanigans. All right, and then we're going to run the configure script. All right, configure script is running. The configure script is running against the Fil-C version of Clang, so it's checking if the Fil-C version of Clang can do whatever it wants it to do. Looks like it ran. Now I'm going to make it. So it's compiling, and you can see that it's compiling using my version of Clang, which is the Fil-C version of Clang. So it's going to emit a memory safe executable. And then, if I remember right, it's going to put the executable in the source XZ directory. So you can see it's right there. So source XZ. Let's see what happens if we run it. It's saying it doesn't want to write compressed data to the terminal. Let's run help to see what the options are. As you can see, it's running. It's fine. It doesn't have any problem. Just so you can see that it's running with Fil-C, I'm just going to do Fil-C dump setup -1, and you can see Fil-C is set up. We're not running with the testing library. Phil's unbelievable garbage collector is running in concurrent mode because it's not stopping the world. Everything's good to go. So now let's try to compress. Oh, I don't know. I like to, with these compression programs, I like to test by compressing libpslow. Libpslow.dylib to libpslow.dylib.xz. So here we go. It's running memory safe XZ right now. I haven't made any changes to the XZ source code. I just compiled it with the Fil-C compiler. And because Fil-C is substantially compatible with C, it just compiled it. It's running. It's a little slow, but it's fine. It's running. And when it's done, we're going to check what happened. So, okay, cool. It's done. Let's make sure that it actually compressed it. So psfix libpslow.dylib. It's over 1.5 megabytes. If we look at libpslow.dylib.xz, you can see fantastic compression ratio. That's super awesome. What a great compression library, even if it's got like backdoors or whatever. Fil-C can't do the supply chain thing because memory safety doesn't save you from supply chain attacks, but at least it saves you from other forms of silliness. So if you want to run XZ, but you don't want to worry about what memory safety problems it has, this is the way to do it. You just compile it with Fil-C. Now we're going to see if it can decompress. It decompressed really quickly. And now let's check to see if it actually got the right output. So libpslow.dylib, libpslow.dylib. No diff. Compressed and decompressed just fine. Out of the box. I downloaded XZ from GitHub. I compiled it with Fil-C, and it just works. No big deal. That's how awesome Fil-C is. Thank you for watching my demo.